It can be difficult to tell when concrete needs cleaning, because the dirt and grime can build up so slowly. Over time, dirt, mold, and mildew can accumulate on concrete surfaces, leading to deterioration. Moisture trapped within the pores of the concrete can cause cracks and compromise the structural integrity. Power washing services not only remove these harmful substances but also helps prevent future damage. By eliminating mold and mildew, surface cleaning inhibits their growth and protects the concrete from potential decay. Surface cleaning offers a more efficient and effective solution. With our concrete cleaning service, we can cover small or large areas quickly, giving you your time back to spend with family. Having your concrete surfaces cleaned regularly can extend the lifespan of your concrete, saving you money and costly future repairs or replacements. Additionally, maintaining a clean, well-maintained concrete surface can increase the value of your property. From deep cleaning and enhanced curb appeal, to preventing damage and saving time, surface cleaning is a highly effective and efficient method for rejuvenating your concrete surfaces like your sidewalks, patios, and driveways. Keep your property's concrete, brick, and stone surfaces looking fresh and clean with our pressure washing services. You'll be amazed at what a positive impact your clean driveway, patio, or pool deck can have on your property's overall appearance. If you have a dirty, moldy, or mossy-looking driveway, sidewalk, or patio that needs a good cleaning, consider us for your concrete pressure washing needs and get it back to that original look.